Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in really quickly before I get started with this video to let y'all know that I appreciate y'all for being so patient with me. The last video I posted of my daughter's hair was when she was 5 months old and now she's 18 months. So it has been quite a while. I will be posting hopefully pretty soon a video of another week in the life with her hair in the future. But for today, I just want to share with y'all a few tips on how I have grown her hair out and some things that I personally do to make sure that her hair continues to thrive. I hope y'all enjoy these tips and that you find them beneficial. If there's a specific style that you'd like for me to recreate, go ahead and let me know and I will do that for y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to start with some inspiration pictures, just sharing some of the hairstyles that I've done over the last year. We did have this trouble spot in the back and it is still shorter than the rest of her hair, but we have done some things and it is actually growing out. As you all can see, my daughter has a lot of personality, and although she still is okay with me doing her hair, some days are a little more challenging than others. She loves to be cute and looks in the mirror once I'm done, but as far as styling it, sometimes it gets a little challenging. So that's kind of why I haven't been posting videos of her, but now I put her in her high chair and style her hair, and I think that's working out way better. Now let's get into some tips on how we've achieved this growth. I make sure that I keep her hair moisturized. So before I style her hair, I always apply water first. So this is her in the bathtub, and notice that I've shampooed her hair in twists. Sometimes I shampoo it in twists, sometimes I do so with her hair loose. And it's definitely way easier for me to style her hair directly after I shampoo it. But if I'm not styling her hair on freshly shampooed hair, then I do apply water to it using just a spray bottle. I apply leave-in conditioner onto her hair, and I also use my Joyfully Natural oil. This is my mixture, and I apply that to her scalp and massage it through her hair and ends. The next tip is to do protective styles, and I do protective styles on my hair, but I also like to do them on her hair. This was when she was younger, but as she has grown, I have done protective styles. It allows me to do her hair and then leave it up for at least a few days. Just a note about these rubber bands, I did try to use the clear ones, but they popped almost instantly. These are the supposedly no breakage ones, and I haven't noticed any breakage with them. I think if I were to leave them in longer than just the few days that I do, it'll be a little tougher to take them out, and some of her hair might get tangled, but I don't have any problem with them. But if you don't like them, then of course, do what you want. Come along, get tangled to me. If you love your hair, say yeah, yeah. Say I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you love your hair, say yeah, yeah. Say I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This was styled without using any product, and I decided to redo the style and use Shine and Jam. For those of you with a keen eye, you might be able to tell like the shinier look, and also I was able to get all of the little hairs into the rubber bands. When I want her hair to look more polished, I do use Shine and Jam, but for the most part, I still use my baby lotion, and and that's that. I really like doing the protective styles like this because I can still dress them up with bows and things like that, and so she still looks cute, but I don't have to put in as much work every day doing her hair. Say I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you love your hair, say yeah, yeah. Say I love it, I love it, I love it. hope that y'all enjoy this video. It's in collaboration with Gracie's Corner. So the music in the background is such a cute little song about how Gracie loves her hair. And so as my daughter grows, I want her to love her hair just as much as Gracie seems to love her hair. So make sure you head over to Gracie's cornertv.com and also head to their YouTube channel, and they have a lot of learning activities and just some really awesome songs that like my whole family, like even my husband and son, we all dance to them. This next tip is specifically for people who do use rubber bands. My sister actually cut my front ponytail out when I was younger, so I have like a phobia of my daughter wanting to help in cutting her own hair. So I removed the rubber bands with clippers. My final tip is just to accessorize. Let little girls be cute little girls. And my mom used to make socks and bows for my sisters and I when we were younger to go with both dress clothes and casual clothes, and I love that she decided to start this again. I remember helping her to make our socks and bows or make them when she sewed them. I'm so thankful to still have my mom with me and to have her here to make these things for my daughter. So she has thought about selling them again. She used to sell them to boutiques. If you're interested, let me know either in the comments, email me, find me on Instagram. I'm trying to get her Instagram set up. That's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and I hope to help some of you out. Bye.